Holy smokes, it came in! Our freshwater bidet. Power wash your tush. Yeah. Now, why would you wash your car with a rag with no soap? Doesn't make sense, right? So you've got to clean your bum with the Power Wash Fresh Bidet. So today we're gonna do a review. We're gonna put it together. I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah! So let's unbox it. Let's check it out. So this is the Greenco Freshwater Bidet for optimum personal hygiene. Eco-friendly, easy to install. And this thing actually comes from Norfolk, Virginia. Got it on Amazon for a fraction of the cost of a lot of other bidet kits you see out there. I mean, this is like dirt cheap and it's supposed to do the job. So we're gonna test it out right now. Let's see, we're gonna open this up. Let's see what's in it. All right, so this is pretty simple. So we got one piece right here. This is the actual attachment. And here we have a hose, a washer, and your connection piece. So this connection piece is gonna just connect into there. All right, well, let's go connect it. All right. So these are the only tools looks like we need to do this. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shut the water off. Gonna flush, let all the water out. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and undo this. Okay. All right, put the other one in there. This washer needs to be in there just like that. And what we're gonna do is unscrew this nut from the tank. All right, I'm about to give it a shot here. First time sitting on a bidet, a little nervous, but they say that using a bidet is the cleanest way to go to get a sparkling, fresh bum. Now, Americans go through so much toilet paper. I've got my neighbor that only uses Cottonelle, expensive. This is the cheapest way to go. Recycle, very natural, keeps it fresh, and it's gonna make me sparkling clean and ready to go no matter what the occasion is. All right, so here it goes. All right, I'm pressing the controller. All right, here it goes. Oh! Ah! Woo! 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 Whoa! That was pretty intense. Oh yeah. Guys, I highly recommend this. The bidet from Amazon. Less than 20 bucks. It's amazing. It is fresh. And I'll let you know how it goes in the other times. I have to call my neighbor to come on over and try this bidet. Take care.
I'm trying the bidet!